Breathe in, stop the clock. I'm close to you. I'm here with you. Let go.
Bahala sa akin, basta labing.
Ihatag ang kasing-kasing sa taong kabaw mo amping. Bahalag dili perpekto, basta kamong duha, kontento.
Bahalag usahay dili masabtan basta dili lang gyud biyaan.
Ang pag-aasawa ay di tulad ng kaning isusubo na iluluwa kapag napasok.
Remember, constant, honest communication is key. But let me correlate that also with what St. Paul said. In effect, husband, love your wife. Wife, respect your husband. So, husband, love her tender, love her true, and communicate it constantly. Wife, respect your husband and communicate it constantly. Okay.
Congratulations and best wishes, Kim and Dale. We love you.
Hi, Jeanette and Dale. Welcome to the club. Congratulations on your wedding day. We wish you both a lifetime of happiness, love, and peace. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Sorry I'm late.
Uy Kim, Dale, congrats sa inyong duha. Welcome to the club and magtagtaon ng kita sa Team Anlida. Puhon-puhon na lang. Apas na namin ni Glyza diha kay murag napami speakers bukid karon. Nangout pa may ugkuan mga yuta. Bitaw, amping mong kanunay diha dayon. Always remember na communication is the key for a long-lasting relationship and I wish you both a happy marriage. Congrats again.
As long as you stay with me, give me all my heart.
Surprise! Hi, Kim and Dale. Congratulations on your wedding day. You've come this far, Jude. I hope na-surprise mo sa video greetings. I may not be there in person, but my heart and my Gianna is there celebrating the love and commitment you have for each other. May God bless your union, and according to his verse in Romans 12:10, be devoted to one another in love, honor one another above yourselves. In short, magminahalay mo day, and to put God at the center of your relationship. Wishing you all the happiness and joy in the world, and I am just here cheering you from afar. See you soon in Canada. Bye.
안아주고 싶어 in a beautiful way, in a beautiful way, in a beautiful way.
Grazie Lord. Yeah.
Kami sa
Sunod kami.
Kami sunod.